So hello guys, I want to show you how to resolve the issue of power button on your phone without any third-party application. You can quickly do that on your Android application without installing any app. So how do we go about this? I woke up this morning only to find out that my power button is not working. So I pressed and pressed, it didn't work out. So what I did was that I have to put my charging port. Now, if you slot in your charger on your charging port, and you at least you have a light on the phone. Now you put your password if you have one. Now that's all. The next thing is to follow up the step that I'm showing you right now. What are we going to do now? So what we're going to do precisely is we are going to click on the settings in our Android phone. Now we click on we quickly go to the advanced features. The advanced features, from here we have an option of a gesture, motions and gestures. So we click on it. Now we have options. We have lift to wake, but I'm not going for this. This wouldn't make sense. I'll rather go for double tap on screen to turn on and double tap on screen to turn off. So I switch the both on. They are active now. So right now, if I go back to my screen and I double tap on it, it goes off. This is wow. And see, I don't need to install anything. So if I double tap on it again, I can have my screen back. So thank me, and please remember to subscribe to appreciate what I just learned. Isn't this perfect? Thank you.